everyone. Hey, Mobility Scooter Dustin here. We're going to unbox and set up the M50 by EWheels today. Basket. Basket and charger on top. Foam. Pull out some more foam. Alright, we got the armrest sitting here. We're going to take out. We got more packing materials. A lot of packing materials. The seats on top. Alrighty, now that we got all the packing material removed, the box, the basket, I'm going to show you inside the box. The scooter's pretty much fully assembled, it just needs to be taken out of the box. I'm going to cut the front of the box to make it easy to roll out. We're going to go to the lever, put the scooter in neutral, freewheel mode, so we can roll it out. Very easy. We're almost done. Your batteries for the M50 are going to come in a separate package. Now that we have the scooter unboxed, we're going to finish setting it up. Remove the packing material from the tiller. We're going to loosen the knob. Move the tiller up. Make sure you put the scooter back in drive mode or it will not work under battery power. We're going to set the battery pack directly on. The seat we're going to sit right on here. And to get it to go in place, you need to pull the lever forward. Now it's locked in place. The armrest will go in right here. Your parts, your keys, everything will be located in the front basket. The adjustment knobs are in the rear of the scooter. Keep your armrest from moving. Again, the charger's in the basket as well. And there we go. In 5 minutes, we have a scooter that's fully set up, ready to ride. Very easy. This was probably the hardest part of the install, is this right here. Now that the scooter's assembled, we're going to give it a test. We got power. Oh, we got power. It drives very easy. Thank you. That's how you set up and unbox the EW M50.